It's difficult enough dealing with an illness or a condition, whether acute or chronic. But on top of that, there can be shame, embarrassment, or guilt around having the condition. Sometimes it's around not healing, like, oh, I've been doing all these meditations and techniques, or I see myself as someone who should be able to get better more quickly. All of that can be adding extra layers of stress and tension to the whole situation. So we're going to do some EFT tapping to help work with the shame, the feelings of guilt around that, and hopefully give some, relief and resolution to that. Depending on what you're dealing with, definitely consult with your professionals. Make sure it's okay to do this tapping. It's going to be pretty gentle the way I approach it, but just to be safe. And so if this feels okay to you and you've got clearance, let's go to the side of the hand, repeating after me. Even though I'm feeling all this shame and guilt about having this condition, as best I can, I choose to have some compassion for myself. Even though what I'm dealing with is really challenging. And on top of that, I have feelings of guilt, of shame or embarrassment, that I shouldn't have this, or I should be better by now, or have I done something wrong? I choose to honor how challenging this is for me. And even though I'm dealing with a lot, the condition itself is challenging. But there's also the layers of guilt and shame. Any beliefs or messages I've gotten that I've somehow attracted this, or that if I was doing something correctly, I either wouldn't get this or it would resolve. All this extra shame and pressure. And I choose to honor and accept myself as best I can. And everything I have to deal with around this. Okay, through the points now. Feeling this shame and guilt. All these layers of emotion. It's hard enough dealing with this. It's hard enough just being with the symptoms. And any fear I might have about this. But all these extra layers of guilt and shame, these beliefs and feelings that seem to suggest there's something bad or wrong about me or what I'm doing in some way. And I'm just being with how challenging that is. Giving myself some space right now to feel in to the emotion here. To feel how it's appearing in my body. All this guilt and shame. And any thoughts or beliefs that make me somehow wrong. Maybe I've been told, Well, if I had the right thinking, if I was able to feel the right emotions, then I would never have gotten this. Or I would have healed it by now. All this messaging, all the information, whatever credibility it may have, that might make me be thinking, oh, if I had done the right diets, if I had done things differently, or I should be doing them differently now. And that's not to say there might not be some useful information available to me, or some things that might help. But I'm not bad or wrong for not knowing that yet. Nor did I do anything wrong to somehow deserve this. If I think of someone I really care about, and they came to me and said, you know, I've been dealing with this condition and it's really challenging. Would my impulse be to shame them? Would I say, well, I hope you feel guilty about that? And when I externalize it, it seems more obvious. And I want to see if I can extend a bit of that compassion to myself. Our bodies are amazing and complicated. There's a million ways things can happen. And it's certainly not going to help the cause. For me to guilt or shame myself about this. Just relaxing that tendency. All this belief that this is something I've done wrong. Or I'm somehow wrong. This condition is something that happened. It's okay to be kind to myself. It's okay to say, yes, this is here in this exact moment. But it's okay to have compassion for myself. It's okay to treat myself with the love and care that I would towards someone I care about if they were struggling. Letting go of any programming that says we need to feel guilty or shame about this in order to take it seriously, or in order to pay a penance. Just opening up to the possibility that it's okay to let go of the guilt and shame. guilt and shame are not contributing to the healing. And I can be aware and mindful and seek whatever care or information I need. I don't need guilt or shame to motivate that. I don't need guilt or shame in order to be forgiven. I can forgive myself. I can forgive my body. It's safe to relax any guilt and shame I'm feeling. Okay, take a breath. And let me know if this is helpful to you, if it brought anything up that might inspire a different direction or something else to, do some tapping on. Just let me know. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.